Hey guys, we're finishing up. This is the third time I've taken this video. truth in telling. So this was a great big space. Some things that we did to really help from the before, which you probably didn't see, was this bulkhead, which is where all the HVAC comes in, actually painted the ceiling color so it disappears. These are little things nobody notices that makes a big difference. And then I painted the ceiling in the kitchen, the bright green color of the walls, so that it acts as a tray. And so now the kitchen and the living room look a little more separated. Another big pre-existing condition was this monolithic dark stone fireplace, which the homeowner didn't love. So we worked with it by pairing like this sort of pale blonde sandy finish on these French chairs so that it doesn't look like we ignored it completely. One benefit is the TV does fade into the stone, so that is a positive. We really wanted to, of course it's a kind of a dreary day here, overcast, but it has a tremendous view. We wanted to play up on the blues and greens, which is my favorite color combination. And also the family has small grandchildren, and of course they're raised around these things, so really there's not a concern with them being destructive. I mean, you know, I raised a child and bless her heart, we were always hard on her, but she never I think she broke a coaster in 16 years. So, but this really is about making the space happier, brighter, more custom, less like a spec house, which is what the client wanted me to do. So we have these wonderful blue sofas, detailing on them really pretty with the ribbon trim at the base of the skirt here. We did leather ottomans so they can put their feet up and relax, whether in these chairs or on the sofa, so you can get a lot of adults in here to sit or lay down and watch TV. The window treatments, she really loves, and I do too. We use this classic Brunswick and feed pattern for these valances that are under the curtains, and then of course another Brunswick and feed print that's got really happy colors, the yellow. I have to really say, amazing trim, she really pushed me to use brighter colors, and I've been very happy with it because making sure. It's an antique table. This antique table came from Connecticut, so it's not perfect. It's got some smudges, etc., but it's really a pretty piece. It flips up. The idea here was I didn't want to crowd this space because usually it's just the two of them, but the idea is they can pull this table into the middle of the room, lift up the other side, and then bring two chairs, those two chairs I showed you previously with the beaded backs, and use those as host and hostess chairs, so that you can have a dining room that could seat 6 if they so desired. So like I said, most of the time, this really is only going to be used in the summertime. So they're not going to be spending Thanksgiving and Christmas here. They're going to be doing that at their home. So it was really more about summer, which is a little more casual. Adorable bar stools at the counter here. The upstairs is really the show place. The master bedroom is just divine. I'm going to let Beth go ahead of me because I want you to take in the view when you get to the top of the stairs. We have this mezzanine area that had tall windows, so I thought there was kind of a disconnect here, so I did a skirted table and filled that void with an urn, a tableau with a cachepot, and a fern. Did some geometric prints here. But this is what I just absolutely love, the master bedroom. It's by far my favorite. This pedestal, of course, is delicious. That's a guest room over there, which is not important for today. But this master is fantastic. The sunny yellow valances I absolutely love. This toile in the pale blue and cream, really pretty. I'm always picking strings off of things. Look at this. I also love the bed, the bedding, the wonderful waterfowl print with the yellow. If you look in there, the yellow lotus blossom to tie in the sunny yellow. Just really pretty. Y'all know I love a box plate, so I've got those on here. This bed was really a study in scale because I wanted, when you walked in, to counterbalance the high vault on one. I don't like a asymmetrical vault, so I put the bed on the opposite wall to bring the eye, to lift the eye with this 4-poster bed and balance the height, counterbalance this asymmetrical vault. What do you think? Did it work? I think it's fantastic. Then as you come into the bathroom, I'm gonna let Beth go ahead of me too, because wonderful trim on the skirt here and the turtle table, he's made an appearance. If you go in that bathroom, isn't it beautiful? Look at this whole tableau with the yellow. The yellow and this turquoise, or would you call this turquoise, Beth?
I kind of think it is a turquoise.
It's just so happy in here. So anyway, look at this balance. I mean, y'all, I can't help myself. I love a balloon shade. I mean, it's adorable. But as you come out, Beth, we had one piece that didn't come in on time, so don't show them that corner. Just skip right past. We had a desk on Eternal back order, and guess when it's going to be here? Next week. Exactly when I'm not here. So it's always a day late and $1 short for our shipping, especially right now during COVID. But
See the view.
look at that view. Just stupendous. Just absolutely beautiful. Love these little antique chairs, Beth, with this distressed painted finish. I mean, just so charming. Have these little cushions, little flange, little fan pleating. But anyway, I think that's it. We just did a quick run through. I'm super happy that it all got finished. Beth and I are going to try and get on the road, and then we'll get home at midnight. But I can be in the office tomorrow, so that's the good news. Anyway, thanks guys, and leave your questions in the comments, and we'll go in and answer them as you watch. Bye-bye.